everybody. Pop from the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop here. We got a little bit of a special project here. I know it's weekend project day and you're probably viewing that video already, but we wanted to share with you some of the things that we're got to improve the video quality of the show. So we've got a few boxes here, so we thought we'd do an unboxing and show you some of the kit that we're going to be using over the next little while to improve some of the camera quality and audio quality of the show. So without further ado, and I'm going to keep it short but sweet because I know that your time is as valuable as ours, so we'll start with the big long box here. Bet everybody can guess what's in it. We had to open it to make sure that what we ordered was actually delivered. So Mom's fabric scissors, we know we have to use these, right? All the fabric scissors in the house get used for things that they're not supposed to be used for. I'm sure she'll kill me later. So the first thing in the box here, let's actually just take everything out of the box. It's like Christmas, you know, you gotta throw the stuff around, have fun. So the first big thing in the box, and we'll just do this, is we've got a new tripod. So if you do any videoing, you understand that you have to have some sort of a platform to do this from. So we've got a brand new tripod. It's a Ravelli tripod. It's the same model as the one we currently use, but so now we've got two, and it's really good because we're gonna have one of these boxes has another big package. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's got some neat little features here, and we can pull it out and show you what comes in the box. This is a professional tripod. Comes with its own carrying case, carrying bag. So it's really nice, really nicely packaged. And inside we have a strap that's done up and won't let me get it out. There we go. Strap one and strap two. And here we go. Here's the overall tripod. It's actually quite heavy. So that's what you want when Mom's going 150 kilometers an hour on the pedal for this sewing machine and it's bouncing the whole house around. So there we go. And that's what it looks like behind the scenes on our current camera. So the one that's recording right now is on the same type of a tripod. So that's part one, tripod. So we got some random cable here. I know what this is. So as you know, for live stream, we hook up all of our cameras to the computer, and we need extra long cables for that. So for the new camera, which is in that box, we have some cables and some adapters. So on to the next box, we got something to make us sound really good, or at least Mom sound really good. The Video Mic Pro Plus from Rode. Rode mics are just awesome. The lav I'm wearing right now is a Rode mic, and it's really quite good, because if you look back at some of our very old videos, we didn't have this mic, and the audio quality was poor at best. Oh, back to Mom's scissors. You know, got to cut the plastic with the scissors. I know some of you are seething right now. So here's the mic. It comes with a battery. There's not a whole lot to it. It's just the mic, the cable, and the battery. It's really quite simple. So awesome. On to the next toy. So now the big purchase for us this year is this holy crap, it's heavier than I thought it was. This GH5S, sorry, by Panasonic. It's one of the top of the line cameras, DSLR cameras, and it's highly used with a lot of the within the YouTube community. So we're happy to bring this on board as our next video camera. It is a photo camera and a video camera, so we're excited about taking some additional photos and things like that for the videos, so you can see exactly up close and really nicely with the camera here. And on top of that, we've got a lens. They don't package lenses and cameras together, which really shocked me when I first had the conversation. It's not a kit. So I want to really thank Halton Camera Exchange as well, because they went out of their way. This camera is really hard to get in Canada right now, and or at least in our area. I talked to about 5 different stores before getting a hold of Halton, and they were able to get me one. And on short notice, because as you know, tomorrow is going to be a special live stream, and Mom's going to be all over the place. Who knows what she's going to be doing? So, well, I think she knows. She might not. So let's get into this camera here. We're just going to open up the box. Hopefully it will open. So we've got, I don't know whether you can see what we're doing here. We've got a little photo packet here. So I guess I got a little bit of reading to do before tomorrow. And then we'll just peel this open. And we've got really nice GH5 Lumix strap. Always important to have one of those when you're out and about. This camera is probably not going to come off the tripod very often, but when it does, it'll probably go onto a different mobile mount that I haven't purchased yet and Mom doesn't know about, so just shh. So this is the camera body anyway. And yeah, it's going to be a fun experience learning how to use this camera and getting some really great footage for you guys. And then in the box there's your various battery charger, computer cable, all kinds of fun stuff. Bits and bobs and pieces and plugins and cables and oh, another battery. So lots of batteries to get charged today. So there's the camera, and last but not least, probably the most important part. Oh, sorry. Apparently, Mom's telling me I put stuff in front of things. I think she should be doing this. So here we are. Last but not least, oops. Important parts. We just throw them around because that's not important. It's the bag for the lens, and then the lens itself. So apparently everybody's loving this lens. It's a fast lens. Does a lot of really nice, has a lot of nice features to it. So there we go. The last but not least part of our whole new camera setup. So thanks very much for joining us today. Thank you very much to our Patreon people, our patrons, who, without you guys, we couldn't get this equipment. We couldn't pretty much do a lot of what we do today. So thank you again. This is Pop signing off. I hope you have a really great day.